Hello, dears. Welcome to our today's class. What we have learned from our previous class? Yes, we have learned some questions about the places, people, and also we learn some words which are ending with ER. Right. So, can you tell me some words with ER ending letters? Yes, star, car, and bar. Here, all these words are ending with ER, and here the letters are, it is having silent sound. It is having a little sound like star, car, and bar. And can you tell me some more words with ARK, arc letters? Yes, it is park, bark, and dark. Okay, so today we are going to start a new block, block 13. So, dears, do you know? On my way to this class, in today's class, I see Ravi ringing the bell and Anu painting a beautiful picture and our revisor speaking on the telephone. Everybody is busy doing something. So, dears, now I have told you something, no? Like Ravi ringing and Anu painting, Ravisar speaking. So all are doing something here. So what are they? This ringing, painting and speaking in all these words. These all words are we called doing words. So our today's topic is doing words and keywords for today's class that are dance, speak, study, paint, decorate and watch. Our aim is to identify the doing words. So, my kids, today we are going to find out some doing words from the story, from the same story, We Indians. So, now let's read that story.
See, this is our story, We Indians. So let's read the story now. My name is Minakshi. I come from Tamil Nadu. I speak Tamil, and my favorite festival is Pongal. What is your name? So, dears, we know that this is Meenakshi and she comes from Tamil Nadu. So, what language does Meenakshi speak? Yes, she speaks Tamil. So, the word speak is a doing word or the action here. So, let's circle this word speak from this paragraph. Then let's see the next paragraph. I am Ramu Patel. I come from Gujarat. I speak Gujarati. I like to do Garba. I am 7 years old. How old are you? So, dears, this is Ramu Patel. And how many doing words can you find out from this paragraph? What are the doing words in this paragraph? Yes, that are come and speak. These are the doing words. So let's circle these two doing words from the sentence. Now look at this page. My name is Gulabo. I come from Rajasthan. I like wearing colorful clothes. I enjoy watching puppet shows. I travel by camel. How do you travel? Then the next sentence it's about our Badal Ghosh. I come from Bengal. I am Badal Ghosh. I speak Bengali. I like painting and music. I study at Shanti Niketan. What do you study? So, dears, do you know that this is Gulabo? And what does Gulabo like to watch? Right. She enjoy watching puppet shows. So the word watching is the action word here. Then what about the sentence? about our Badal Ghosh. What are the doing words? Can you find out from here? Yes, that are speak, study, and painting. Right. What does Badal Ghosh do in Shantiniketan? Yes, he study at Shantiniketan. So the word study, then speak, painting, these all are the doing words. So let's circle these three words also. See the next page. I am Vida. I come from Maharashtra. I speak Marathi. Our neighbors in Mumbai are Assamese. They come from Assam. And where do you come from? The next, I am Surinder. I come from Punjab. I speak Punjabi. My friend Amarjit Singh likes Bhangra. And which dance do you like? So, my kids, what are the doing words? Can you find out from here? Yes, from the sentences about Vida. What are they? What are the words? Yes, come, speak. These are the doing words. Then about Surinder. Yes, come, speak, and dance. These are the action words. So let's circle it. I am Neeraj Tripathi. I come from Uttar Pradesh. I speak Hindi and I am learning Urdu from my friend Tariq Beg. What language do you speak? Then I am Unnikrishna Nair. I come from Kerala. I speak Malayalam and I am learning Kathakali. My favorite tree is the coconut tree. And which tree do you like best? See, this is Tariq Beg and Neeraj Tripathi. Neeraj is learning Urdu from his friend Tariq. So the word learning is the action word or doing word here. Then about Unnikrishna Nair, yes, the words come and speak. These are the doing words. My name is Kamla. I come from Karnataka. I speak Kannada. I play the mridangam. Do you play any musical instrument? Right, this is Kamala. So what is she playing? Kamala is playing mridangam. So the word playing is the action here. Then see the next paragraph. It's about Bharati. Bharati is my name. I come from Andhra Pradesh. I speak Telugu. And during my summer holidays, I go to Kashmir to visit my friends Selma and Suleiman. Where do you go for your holidays? Right, this is Selma, Bharati and Suleiman. Bharati comes from Andhra Pradesh and during her summer holidays, she goes to Kashmir to visit her friends Selma and Suleiman. So these words come and go are the actions here. So let's circle these words. See, we are two sisters. We belong to Odisha. We speak Oriya. We decorate our walls and floor with finger patterns. Do you have a sister or brother? They are two sisters. They decorate walls and floor with finger patterns. So the word decorate is the action word here. So dears, from this story, we saw that the characters in the story can do many things, many actions like speak, study, paint, dance, watch, travel, etc. So these words are known as doing words or action words. See, we can also make sentences with the help of these doing words. For example, let's see some pictures. Look at this first picture. What do you see here? Right. The cat is sleeping. Right? What is the cat doing? Right. She is sleeping. So, in the sentence, the word sleeping is the action that performed by the cat. Right? So, the word sleeping, it is the doing word. Then, see this picture. This is a girl. Am I right? Yes, she is doing something, no? Okay, tell me, what is she doing? Yes, she is dancing, right? So the word dancing, it is the action that performed by this beautiful girl. So this word dance, it is another action word, it is another doing word. So dears, this how we can make many sentences with the help of these doing words. So you do one thing from our story, We Indians, you have to find out the all doing words from the each paragraph and circle it. Okay, and after doing that, you can take a photo and send it to me. Thank you.
Look at this board now. These are the doing words that we have found from the story We Indians. See, the characters in the story, the people in that story, they can speak, study, they can dance, paint, watch, decorate, learn, travel, come and go. So these all are the doing words in the story We Indians. Now look at these words again. Have a look on these words. Now tell me, what is the same in all these words? What is same about all these words in this board? Yes, all these words are doing words. So, what is doing words? What do you mean by doing words? Yes, the words that tell about the actions someone is doing are called doing words. Action words. So, doing words means action words. Both are same. Then, when do we use these doing words? Yes, we use doing words to describe actions, to show action, to say something about action. For example, he is running or she is writing. So, here what are the doing words? Yes, the running and writing. These are the doing words. So these doing words tell about the actions which is doing by someone. Got it? So dears, now let's move on to our workbook from page number 25 S1. Doing words. Question number 1. Fill in the blanks with doing words to tell what each person can do. So here you can see someone, you can see some pictures. So what will you do? Right, by looking their actions, you can write what they are doing. So what is the first one? There is a girl and she is doing something, right? What is she doing? She is dancing. So we can write the girl can, which doing word we need to write there? Yes, it is dance. So the girl can dance. Then B, the boy can, look at that picture. What is he doing? He is painting. So we can write the boy can paint. And next, the girl can write. And D, the girl can, yes, comb. And E, the boy can brush. And F, the boy can, what is he doing there? Yes, he is dancing. So we can write the boy can dance or the boy can jump. So this how you can complete these question number 1. And question number 2, write a sentence with a doing word. So here you can write 2 sentences by using 2 doing words. So now let's move on to our practice questions from page number 29. Question number 4. Choose any 2 characters from the story We Indians and write what they are doing in the pictures. So here you can choose any of the character, any of the people from the story We Indians and write about them, what they are doing. For example, Surinder can dance or Surinder is dancing, or what about Badal Ghosh? He is doing something, no? Yes, he is painting. So like this way, you can write 2 sentences about the characters from the story. And question number 5, write what the people are doing in each picture. So 3 pictures are given. So by looking at this picture, you can write what they are doing. So this how you can complete these question number 4 and 5. So hope it is clear to you. So dears, today we have learned about the doing words. Doing words means the actions someone is doing. The actions someone is doing are called doing words. These are the examples: speak, study, dance, paint, watch, learn, etc. Means these doing words are action words. This is all for today's class. Thank you.